Hi, my name is Sumit and I'm going to show you how to set up n8n using render and Supabase. It's pretty straightforward, so let's get started. First of all, we have to deploy n8n on render. For that, go to render dashboard, click on new web service to create a new service, choose existing image from the source code, and in the image URL field type n8nio/n8n. After that, click connect, give it a name if you want, and choose free instance type. Now we can deploy our web service. After that, for consistent storage, we have to fill up some environment variables like Supabase variables. So for that, we have to go to Supabase, click on your project, and then click on connect for getting all the variables. For that, we have to copy the host from transaction pooler, and then we also have to get the user. That will give us db postgresdb host and user. After the for postgres user, okay, after that, for the password it's better to generate a strong one, so we can go to this URL and copy the encryption key, paste it in n8n encryption key field, and then for the host and the webhook URL, that will be our deployed URL which is given by render. So go to the environment variables, and here this is the URL which would be our webhook URL. The same will be pasted in n8n base URL, and then that will be our host. Now since all the environment variables are complete, we can just copy it and paste it to the environment variables section. So click on this. Now instead of choosing from a file, I will just paste the environment variable. I can add the environment variable, and then I can click on save and deploy for deploying it with the latest environment variables. After that, we can go to events, and then we have to see the logs. It is currently deploying. When it is fully deployed, let's wait for it to deploy first. After it is deployed, we can open the URL provided by render for our running n8n service. It will take a few minutes to run, so let's just wait for that. When the server is down, it will show an error like this, but at our first request, it will start spinning up the server, and after a few minutes, we can access our deployed n8n. Okay, so now the n8n service has started. You have to first create a new account. So for that, we can enter all the details like email, first name, last name, and a strong password. After that, we can skip this customize n8n to you, and then for getting the full access to it, we have to enter an activation key. So for that, for unlocking full features, we are offered to get paid features for free. For that, we have to click on send me a free license key, and then we have to check for email for our license key. We have to just copy the license key and paste it into the enter activation key field in n8n's usage and plan settings, and then we can click on activate. It will verify the key and it will activate. So then the entire n8n workflow will be open to you. That's it. You're now ready to create your first workflow, and that's it. You have successfully deployed n8n with render and Supabase. Now, because of all these configurations and environment variables which are also using Supabase, your workflows and all the credentials that you will create while using n8n, they all will be completely consistent, and they will be stored